What happens to cells when they gain or lose water? In biology, this is explained through a process called osmosis. In this video, I'll be explaining movement in and out of cells, focusing on plasmolysis, hemolysis, turgidity, and flaccidity, and how these processes happen in real life. Osmosis is the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane, from an area of high water concentration to an area of low water concentration. This movement of water causes changes in the shape and condition of cells, depending on whether water enters or leaves the cell. Plasmolysis occurs in plant cells when they are placed in a concentrated solution, such as salty or sugary water. In this situation, water leaves the cell through osmosis, causing the cell membrane to pull away from the cell wall. As a result, the cell shrinks and then it becomes weak. In real life, plasmolysis explains why plants wilt when there is too much salt in the soil or when too much fertilizer is used. It also explains how salt can be used to kill weeds or preserve food by removing water from cells. Hemolysis occurs in animal cells, specifically red blood cells. When a red blood cell is placed in pure water, water enters the cell very quickly. Because animal cells do not have a cell wall, the cell swells and then it eventually bursts. This concept is very important in medicine. It explains why doctors use special solutions during blood transfusions and IV treatments to prevent red blood cells from bursting. Turgidity happens in plant cells when they gain enough water. Water enters the cell, causing it to swell, but the cell does not burst because the cell wall provides support. This makes the cell firm and helps the plant stand upright. In everyday life, turgidity explains why watered plants look healthy and why fresh vegetables appear crisp. Flaccidity is the opposite of turgidity. It occurs when a plant cell loses water and becomes too soft. As a result, the plant appears weak and droopy. This explains why plants wilt when they are not watered regularly. These processes show how important water balance is to living organisms. Farmers use this knowledge to manage irrigation and protect crops, while doctors apply it in medical treatments such as dialysis. In conclusion, plasmolysis, hemolysis, turgidity, and flaccidity are all results of water movement across cell membranes. Understanding these concepts helps us explain everyday events in plant, animals, and human health. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Madia Fagbemi and this project was created as a part of my Year 10 biology level. I hope this video helped you understand how movement of water affects cells in real life. Thank you.